going to be doing a 3/4 shank right now. I couldn't use the tweezers, so I'm holding this wide band in my clamp, and now I'm going to, first thing we do is I'm going to tack one side. So we're going to put some flux on it, and now I'm going to go ahead and tack one side here. It didn't go where I wanted it to go, so we're going to try another piece of solder here. Slow my flame down a little bit. Okay, this time I got it. So now I'm going to come around here and I'm going to put this together. Put some flux on here. When I soldered it down, it actually lifted the, expanded it a little bit, so I'm going to press down on it. Once I get that in place, I'm going to press down on the joint to make it get tight. So I'm going to add a little bit more solder to here. So now I've got that together. I've got to get some more solder. I used a little bit more than I thought. So here's some more 14 karat hard. So I'm just going to cut a little bit here. So I'm going to start my flame up again. I'm going to throw yet a little more solder on this one seam. Where you can see it flow. There we go. That's nice. Now I'm going back to the original one where I just tacked it. And I'm going to get myself some solder. Then some flux. I'm holding down on the frog here. I have to be careful because they used a much lower temperature solder to put the frog on. And there we have it. It is soldered.